Hi, I'm Salmi Shamimi. This is the back-end development of my hobby-based website, Mission Status Bar. I built this site using the Wix editor to document my journey as a record management student training for the UiTM Ultra Marathon 5.8K. First, I organized the site structure using the pages and menu tools. I created specific pages for my About Me, training statistic, gallery, safety guard, and contact me. For the home page, I use elements that are provided in this Wix, which is text, button, and strip. Also change the background into an image to make it more interesting. And here I add short description about myself and about the website. For the About Me page, I use the split layout to spread my two identities, which is about myself and also why I start running. I use elements provided in this Wix, which is text, image, and also strip. On the My Gear page, I use the list layout to organize my equipment. I uploaded specific images for my ASICS Gel X 10, Redmi Watch 4, and my Softplus, adding descriptions for each to explain their role in my training. For training statistic page, I put two tables inside, which is one for personal best for my running, and another one is for my training plan for every week. I also put an image of where I'm running, which is in somewhere in Kuang Johor, UiTM Shah Alam, and also UiTM Puncak Perdana. For the gallery, I utilized the Pro Gallery element. I selected a masonry grid style to display my training photos around UiTM Puncak Perdana, UiTM Shah Alam, and also around my house, allowing the image and videos to resize dynamically for different screens. On the runner's guide, I use strips and columns. I customized the vector icons for the safety tips section, changing the colors to orange to match my theme, and use a text list for the warm-up routine, and also add image illustration from Wix itself. Finally, for the contact page, I drag and drop a form element and added a social bar link to my specific Strava, Instagram, and TikTok profiles. I also rotated the image on the right using the design tool to give it a Polaroid snapshot look. Now, let's explore the user experience. The homepage immediately establishes my mission with the tagline, documenting my journey from the registry to the finish line. The next race bandage on the left tracks my current target, the UiTM Ultra 5.8 kilometers. Navigating to About Me, it's a description about myself, and also the content connects my major to my hobby. I explain how I view and why I'm start running as a data, treating every mile like a record in an archive. This narrative helps visitors understand the mission status bar. The My Gear page provides transparency about my equipment. I have listed my essential, which is my ASICS shoes for injury prevention, my Redmi watch for tracking pace, and my Softplus for hydration, giving advice on why I choose each item. On the training statistic page, I prioritize visual data. Visitors can view my personal best and training plan at the top, followed by a gallery of Strava maps showing my actual routes. At the bottom, I have include a snapshot of my weekly schedule, showing exactly how I balance fartlek, easy run, interval, tempo runs, long slow distance runs with strength training. The gallery serves as a visual diary. It captures the reality of training, from early morning sunrises to post-run exhaustions, giving a human face to the data. The Runner's Guide is an educational resource. I have included a step-by-step warm-up routine and 3 critical safety tips: be seen, awareness, and share location, which are essential for students training on campus. Finally, the contact page invites engagement. Users can send me a message or connect via a social icons to see my daily updates on Strava, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you for exploring Mission Status Bar.